Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be talking about blueprints or construction drawings as they are also known, or just drawings. And in front of me now I have a set of blueprints. These ones actually are blue because back in the day when they used to print them out, they used to printed them on this machine that the drawings used to come out blue, hence the name blueprints. But these days you can get them mostly come out in black, but everyone still calls them blueprints. So we're going to start going over the basics of what's on a set of blueprints, and we're going to be talking about things like legends and scales, and so that stuff you started learning in the 4th grade about scale of things. Now people actually use that stuff in real life. So in front of me I have a set of drawings. It was a home edition, and this is actually the civil engineering page, which shows you certain things on shows you elevations of the land, which is important when you're building, and distances. So when people start building, they know specifically how far back and how high how high they can build something, because there are codes that determine how high you can build anything, and it's all determined by the ground you're on. So one of the things that's important, I'm going to show you here, is this is called the plot plan. This is done by the civil engineer. And the scale on this is 1/8 of an inch equals 1 foot. That means, so I have an architect's scale in front of me. And here's 1/8 of an inch scale. That means every 1/8 of an inch on the plans equals 1 foot in real life. That's what it's talking about. So the civil engineer calculated this. From that point to that point is 22 feet 00 inches. So if I put this on 1/8 of an inch scale right here, it should come out to 22 feet. Okay, and what do you know? If that's 0 there, and it marks them off for me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 21, 22 feet. Okay, it's 22 feet from there to there. All right, there you have it on the scale. All right, so that's what that means, scale. And any time an architect or an engineer does a set of drawings, there's always a scale. They always give you north, the coordinates, so they always give you a compass rose, give you a north, so that everything's referenced to north. So that's pointing north, that's south, that's east, and that's west. Also on all drawings, there's what's called a legend. This defines what symbols are. A lot of times on architectural drawings, they give you a lot of symbols or abbreviations. And a lot of people don't know what those abbreviations mean. Well, you find the legend, and the legend tells you what this means. So, for example, WM means water meter. Let's see if we can find and out in front of this house, WM was the water meter. Another thing. Let's find the property line. Find the property line. Property line, PL. So PL means property line, and let's see where we find that on these set of plans right here. Property line, well they spelled out property line right here. They didn't use the abbreviation on it. They spelled it out, property line. That's the property line. Other things, all these numbers here, they give a starting here's the elevation out in the street. They used it as 85 feet 85.97. Here is 83.6.46. Get back here, that's 79.09, 78.07. The time you get back to the alley, it was 76.0.42. So from the street was 85.97 to the back alley was 75.9. That's about a 10-foot drop from the street to the back alley on those plans. So that's the civil engineer's plan. And that's where we're going to stop on this video. Next video we'll be talking about the architect's set of plans. And that's it.